Over 70% of college students in the United States borrowed money to attend post-secondary education, and the majority of those carrying student debt are first-generation college students and students of color. A financial conversation about paying for school and signing on to a private student loan can be a vital component of preparing to attend college, trade school, or any other educational pursuits. Hi, I'm Karina Mendoza from the University of Wisconsin-Madison Division of Extension with today's UW Mindful Money Moment, talking about ways to make financial conversation about paying for college productive and healthy so no one leaves the room crying or angry. Scheduling money talks with your parents, partners, or financial supporters is a crucial step in achieving your goals and keeping your relationships strong. Among the practical steps to accomplish this is setting up ground rules that include, number one, recognizing and respecting everyone's different attitudes towards money and higher education. Two, leaving blame and shame at the door. The discussion space should be a safe space for everyone. Three, organizing a meeting time that is convenient for everyone. No one should be hungry or worrying about other appointments. If time runs out, it is perfectly fine to schedule another financial conversation. These little steps can help keep things pleasant and productive and allow enough time for everyone to contribute to the discussion. A financial conversation is especially necessary when the student borrower is applying for a private student loan. Private student loans are credit-based, non-federally backed loans. With private loans, a financial institution, whether it be a bank, a credit union, or a private company, takes into account the borrower's credit history, among other factors, before lending money out. Chances are that the student borrower will need a cosigner, an additional person who will sign on to be equally responsible and legally obligated to repay the loan. Although co-signing a student loan for a loved one is a common practice, it is still a very big deal, and everyone should know what it entails. Life seldom goes the way it should, and we must protect our relationships that are important in our lives. Therefore, make sure your financial conversation includes the following topics. One, has all the federal financial aid been applied and borrowed? Oftentimes, students have not used up all the affordable federal loans available to them before applying for private loans. Two, are there any scholarships for which the student can apply for? Three, who is responsible for the repayment of the loan and when? For example, will the student be solely responsible for repaying the loan, or will the parents help on occasions? If so, when? Four, what's the plan if someone cannot pay or is struggling to make payments? Please keep in mind that it is very challenging and extremely rare to eliminate student loans through bankruptcy. Five, how will the repayment process or progress be monitored? If nothing else, please, please, please ensure that both the student and the cosigner have equal access to the account. This simple thing can save relationships and save thousands of dollars in fees and interest. 6, who is responsible for the debt and the repayment if an emergency or an academic struggle compels the student to leave school before completion? Keep in mind that student loans and their repayment will affect both the student and the co-signer's credit history. These are major concerns that many families have when they discover the burden of student debt on their shoulders. These financial conversations, as heavy as they may appear, will help prevent conflict before it occurs, and it will help everyone involved move towards their own financial goals. Schedule these conversations as needed or schedule them regularly at the start of every semester or quarter. They are practical opportunities to check in as a family or partnership, and they help pave the way for others in your family to attend higher education. Thank you for your time. Please tune in next week for another UW Mindful Money Moment, and mask up, Wisconsin.